What does Qi, or Qi in Japanese, really mean? The Chinese character for Qi is a pictogram of steam rising from cooking rice. It literally represents life energy. But if we look closely at the character, we see that it first implies breath. Steam has long been a symbol for breath in Eastern culture. Secondly, it connects to food, because rice is the basis of human nourishment in China and much of Asia. There are different sources of Qi, different sources of energy. Two of the most basics are the food we eat and the air we breathe. But there is also one more major source, our constitution, the inborn Qi that we inherit from our parents and ancestors. So there are sources of Qi within us and also sources around us. The environment itself is understood as being filled with living energy, with Qi. The sun, the moon, the stars, the trees, the earth, clouds, animals. Everything in nature is alive. Everything in nature has this life force, and everything in nature is a source. If we are sensitive, if we learn to listen with our bodies, minds, spirits, we can connect with that energy. We can feel Qi. This energy can be used for healing, to develop a deeper sense of attunement with nature, to cultivate a feeling of oneness with the universe and with all living things. If you're familiar, for example, with Qi Gong or Qi Gong, the Chinese practice for inner balance, you might know that the word Gong or Kung means work, practice, or dedication. So Qi Gong means the way of working with Qi, the way of cultivating life energy and receiving its benefits from health, mind, and spirit. A simple definition of Qi Gong is that it's a way of using posture, movement, breathing, meditation, visualization, and conscious intention to purify, gather, and circulate this life energy, Qi. So the Qi can reach whatever in the body that it's needed. Some people even call Qi Gong acupuncture without needles, because in acupuncture we move the Qi. In fact, for many Chinese people, Reiki is seen as another form of Qi Gong, a way of working with energy to bring balance, clarity, and inner peace. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to learn more about Reiki, Qi, or energy work, you're welcome to visit my website, kisetsu.es. Have a lovely and balanced day.